Hello and welcome to Poyot YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we want to go from this image first to this image and then finally to this image. So stay with us. In the beginning, let's start with Leonardo AI website. In the settings on the left, I specify that I want to have one image and I do not change any of the settings. I will not change the alchemy option because it requires payment. I want to teach you all the free parts. Let's go to the other parts. I set the image dimensions to 640 by 832 pixels. Guidance scale on 7. And let these two items remain off. Okay, let's start. We must write prompt in this box above. I want to create a picture of a witch, so I have to write witch. Let's choose the model we want. The model I want to choose is Dream Shaper version 7. I create images with this model. And of course, be sure to use Leonardo style. I'm not going to add negative prompts yet, and I will click and generate. As you see, the witch that is generated is so simple. So let's go to the prompt section to add some more details. For example, a witch in fairy tale, high details, and cinematic, of course. Of course, this image has improved, but that's not what I want. I don't need this mirror either. I'm sure if we generate other images, this mirror will be removed. Let's write some negative prompts to create a better image. As you can see, the character's hand is badly created, and the number of fingers on her hand is more than normal. Therefore, we refer to this section and activate the negative prompt. I'm going to write multiple hands, multiple heads, bad eyes, bad fingers, and bad shape. Then in prompt section, I'll write Hogwarts Legacy. Okay, let's click on generate again. And now we have a more realistic image. Let's go to the prompt box to add a camera. For example, I'm going to write Nikon D700. Let's generate it. You can see the difference between two images. Now, I want to add a focus camera that is suitable for portrait images to the prompt. So, delete the Nikon and write this with me. Camera Canon EOS 90D kit 18-135mm. And generate it again. A small problem arose. Leonardo placed a camera in the character's hand. To solve this problem, we can write photo taken by camera. Now, let's go to a model that creates a more realistic image for us. Click on this section, select custom model, platform models, and I'm gonna choose a model named Absolute Reality V1.6. Let's click on generate again. Now, with this model, remove the camera from the prompts and generate the image again. Okay, I think this image is better and more realistic with a Hogwarts hat style. Now, I'm going to ask Leonardo to create 4 images from this model. Well, these images are nice, but you can click on generate over and over to get the best result. For example, after generating some images, I got this. That's good, but it has 3 hands, but I can fix it in Photoshop. Let's click on this icon to download the image. As you see, I entered this image in Photoshop. Let's go to the lasso tool and click and drag around the hands that you see here in this image to create a selection area, and click on generate and generate again. As you see, the hands are fixed perfectly by Photoshop, but you have variations that you can choose. I think the first image is better than the others. Well, it's good, but I'm going to expand my image from right and left. So let's go to the tools bar and click on crop tool. Then expand the image from both sides, left and right. Press enter and once again go to the tools bar and now select rectangular marquee tool. Select this area, press and hold shift key on your keyboard and select this area too. Now click on generative fill and then generate. Then wait for the result. Finally, this is the masterpiece of Photoshop. I have variations that I can choose. I think this image is better than the others. Now, let's change the color and light of the image a bit. In order not to lose these created layers, let's take a copy of all the layers as one image. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E in Windows or Shift-Command-Option-E in Mac. New image is created and you can see this upper than the other layers. Okay. Right-click on it and click on Convert to a Smart Object. Let's go to the filters and Camera Raw Filter. Here we can change the lighting and colors perfectly. For example, I'll increase the exposure and clarity, and I'll change the other variations to get a better image. After that, we can use Photoshop's suggested adjustments and even change the curve to improve the color of the image. And finally, this is the image we created. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Good luck!